Okay, let's start with the second task in connection with recording. Again, I will use bandicom, and the task is create a video demonstration of the TinyMCE editor in Moodle 5.0. Oh, okay, let's go then to my profile, and let's go to preferences. And we are going to editor preferences. As you see, I've got editor TinyMCE as a chosen one. So the only thing I can try it is just trying to record my speech, and while using this editor it will be possible to listen to it, but not this time. Okay, so I think that I will use this editor in next courses I'm going to develop. So thank you for your attention.